My name is Tom Riley, and you're watching Unboxing on TTV. Today, we're gonna open up a thing that I had ordered in the mail. So here it is. It's the VIJIM desk mounting stand, they call it. And this is it here. It's a monopod kind of thing that connects to your desk. It's got a ball joint and camera mount on one end, and it also has another arm that connects to it that you can connect your iPhone to, or another camera, or a microphone. There's some examples here on the back of the box as to what you can do with it. They have you pictured a light here on this one and a light on this one, but I'm not going to use it for that. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. Okay, it feels pretty heavy. I bet it's going to be as well made as our other deal. Now, I did get this on Amazon again for less than $25. So, I mean, I don't have a lot of money. I look for things that are inexpensive. Here we go. Let's open up this box. Okay, as I start pulling things out here, you know, I forgot to mention that I am in a wheelchair here, and so it's a little bit harder to do things than the average person. I wasn't born this way or anything. I had a back surgery that went foobar on me. So anyway, and the first thing I pull out is this right here. It's got a swivel joint on it, ball joint right at the top here. As you can see, and it tightens up probably with this key knob, and it seems to extend to a pretty good height. I mean, that's a good 2 feet right there on its own. On the bottom, it has the desk mount with the knob for a desk. If you have a desk that's 2 inches thick, that's a pretty sturdy desk and heavy. But it's about 2 inches, I'd say, wide. But it's made out of very sturdy aluminum, and it's got a tightening bracket here so you can adjust the height. And I guarantee, I bet it extends one more time. Let's try it. I was correct. It extends another whole section here. So that is quite the boom arm. That is a good 3 feet tall. I don't know if you can get how tall that is here. That's a good 3 feet tall. 1 foot per section. That's pretty darn good there. I mean, you can do a lot with it. You can add a lot to it. And then we put this part down. Okay, so here we have the phone bracket. You can see it has a screw mount on the bottom of it. It also has a screw mount on the back of it, and also a hot shoe bracket, so you can add your light or your flash or whatever it is. And it does extend. It's got a spring loaded mount so that you can extend it to tighten around a phone. Now, there's no tightening bracket for that. It's just spring loaded. So, and this is made out of plastic. It feels a little cheap-ish, so you might want to, handle with care and not stretch it out too far. All right, and then again in the box here, here's the extension on it, and that's about 1 foot long. And it's got the bracket on the bottom, so you can connect it to the longer pole, and it looks like it can angle this thing maybe. And then on this end is another ball joint so that you can move your camera around, and it's got the rubber gasket so things don't slip. So I'm going to see if this extends. Give me 1 second. This part does not extend. It's as long as it is right now at 1 foot. What else do we have in the box? We have an instruction manual. It's all set up on the edge of my desk here. There's the arm, and over here I have a camera set up on the end of it. Looks pretty darn good. it's kind of sturdy. I mean, if you get it tightened up really, really good, you can hang things on there. And I think it was a good buy, you know, for something that is inexpensive and low cost. I'm happy with it. I like it, and I think I'm going to get a lot of good use out of it. So remember, it's the VIJIM desk mounting. What's it called? Hold on a minute. Helps if you remember the names of your products that you get. The VIJIM LSO2 desk mounting stand, and I found it on Amazon. Once again, I will try and put a link in the description. There you have it. What else can you ask for, huh? If you have no money or very little money, you're scraping things along, hey, just check out my YouTube channel. I'll be unboxing some other things as I get them and have need, and if anybody sends me anything, wink wink. I'm just starting out, and I'm a disabled tech guy, camera guy, video maker, creator guy, coming from a whole different standpoint to make my life a lot easier. I can connect this to my wheelchair, have the camera placed right in front of me, you know, to the arm of my wheelchair or someplace on my wheelchair. There's just a whole lot of things that you can do with this product. So yeah, I'm going to set this up temporarily, and just to give you an idea what it looks like all set up, okay? Hold on. Okay, so this is what I did with the VIJIM desk mounting system. And so with the side arm, extension arm is also called, I added a LED light. On this end I have my camera, my GoPro camera. This end I have a light, and with another product I connected a microphone to it also. So makes it really convenient for me, because I can reach everything then. You know, disabled, I can't have things spread out all over the place. It's a really, really nice system for under $25. The VIJIM desk mounting system. There you go, find it on Amazon.com. Just check it out, and until next time, this is Big T, Tom Riley for TTV Watching Unboxing. Wow.